Okay, here we are bringing you more than just access control. Here we have a video management integration from NX and the access control system from Chiyu. The integration is very simple. You just have a PC and there's a proximity device and fingerprint device, and there's a sensor, humidity sensor, temperature sensor, and carbon dioxide sensor. And this is a relay module to control your input and output. And you have set up I have set up a 2 IP camera, and there's also a speaker that we can play a sound. And let's go to next page. Okay, here I will show you. This is CCTV surveillance. You have video monitoring, MVR, DVR. And next one, you have an alarm system to control digital input, digital output, and other sensors like a temperature, humidity, CO2 sensor, or even trigger a panic button. And next circle will be access control and time attendance system, which will manage human beings like a fingerprint, RFID card, or password. And you can also monitor object or asset. And what we bring you today is the center, the triangle part, the total solution, BMS plus ACS integration. The first feature I would like to bring you is a bookmark feature. The bookmark feature is the advantage is you have a real-time access control and time attendance log at your monitor screen. It will show your user's name and your employee ID, the user's basic information, right on your monitor screen. And you can monitor who enter or who exit the door. You can monitor who check in or check out for the time attendance. And they can do advanced search on special events, like monitor unregistered user, expired user, door open or door open too long, door intruder. So you don't need to spend a lot of time to go through full footage. Right now you just have an advanced search. It will save you a lot of time and allow you to react fast. And I will show you the simple demonstration. So, the first car I will show is not allow door. Once I scan at the device, it pop up the alert, and you also showing the information. Let's do it again. The information will see not allowed door. So this user is not allowed. You will have special event. And the next one is unregistered user. Also unregistered user, you can play a different sound for different type of events. And the bookmark will show at your screen timeline. Now I will try the scan any registered user. The user's employee ID will pop up right here. The bookmark will show within 6 seconds. Okay. And we can also use NFC. NFC just enable your mobile's NFC. We can also use a mobile NFC to scan the terminal. And beside the bookmark, the NX software can also upload the e-map. You can upload as many as camera as you wish, and you can just put like which camera at which door. You can monitor very easily. Next feature will be alarm layout feature. You just saw on the NX when the special event pop up. You will have a screen pop-up alert, sound alert, even email alert. So when you have a monitor multiple screens, you want the events to trigger alert right away and also catch your eyes. Let's say unregistered user come. So alert will show unregistered user and the sound alert. So it's video management system and link with access control and time attendance all together. Text overlay feature. Text overlay feature, it can be used for monitor inputs and remote control outputs. So monitor real-time environment status right on your video wall. So for example, at a server room, you don't need to go all the way 100 meters away to check your server's room's temperature. You can just monitor right on your video wall. All the status is showing on your video screens. And you can also use for carbon dioxide sensors. When office CO2 is too high, you want to be able to trigger a fan. So you want to get an air cycle in the office. You don't want your employee to get dizzy. And you can also add organic plant, monitor organic plant humidity. If not enough, just trigger water sprays. Here right at the screen, you can see the real-time temperature and humidity and CO2, carbon dioxide. And the sensor is right over here. So I have set the CO2 carbon dioxide value. So once CO2 is too high, it will send an alert to the security. Can also trigger one of my air condition. Okay, the alert pop up. You will say alarm CO2 alert. I can also integrate with a panic button. Once I trigger panic button, someone in trouble, trigger the alarm, also sound the alarm in the security office. And about the object and asset control, let's say if I have a computer right here. If I have a computer installed right here, I want to check if somebody checking my computer. So they gotta be the motion within red range. So the motion will be highlighted as a red color in your timeline. So it can be used for tracking your asset. Okay, that's about it.
Thank you.